guys? Jason, Backpack Yoda. Welcome back to another video. Me and Scott are sitting here at the rest stop before Hurricane Creek. We are going to run Hurricane Creek. Don't know if we're going to camp in there today or might go and hit Buzzard's Roost if it's open and try to find a camp spot. Hurricane Creek usually takes about 2.5 to 3 hours to run. This is my 5th time here. I got my buddy Scott in the 4Runner right behind me, parked. We've already aired down. We're waiting on 3 other guys to get here, and then we're just gonna take the whole group and go in, figure it out, have a little pre-trail meeting before we get in there and figure out what everybody wants to do. But it's gonna be a good time, so stay tuned and follow along with us. So we finally made it. It was supposed to be a 10 o'clock trip, and here we are at 11:45. Well, we got a group of 5, a bunch of good guys just entering Hurricane Creek. I think we're gonna try to find a camp spot just right out the gate, or we might just run all of Hurricane Creek and hit Buzzard's Roost. We'll see if we can find a camp spot. We're just playing it by ear, really. We ain't got nothing else to do until Monday. Alright guys, so we made it down to Harmon Den campground off of Hurricane Creek, Buzzard's Roost. There's me, 4 of the guys. We got Brent, we got Adam, Scott, and Scott. And then also Brandon's down here with some guy that he knows. But it's a pretty spacious campsite. We got, Scott's got a Gazelle set up right here out of his XJ. Adam has got a Magellan, whatever, same thing as the Gazelle out of his XJ. Got Brent over here in his JK with a cot tent set up. Then you got my truck is back here with my Smitty built on the top of it, and then Scott's right behind me in his 4Runner that he's sleeping in, and then Brandon is over here by the creek with his buddy. Both of them have rooftop tents. One's a Tepui, the other one I'm not really sure. But you got a Tacoma and an XJ over there. So yeah, we finally made it through Hurricane Creek, got up here, found this camp spot. This is where we're gonna settle down for the night. Got some chicken on the grill, got some asparagus, some fried potatoes. So we'll probably end up watching a movie here later. Brent brought a projector and a screen. So yeah, we're gonna do it to it. Sit back, have fun, make us a fire, and enjoy the sounds of the creek. See ya. Well, it's the next morning. I'm all packed up. We got a dust of snow last night. Stayed at Harmon Den campsite. It's pretty spacious. You can fit a lot of people in here if you want to, but I got all my stuff packed up and I'm sitting in the heat in my truck while everybody else is getting packed up. And I think we're gonna go to the Outlook over 40 on Buzzard's Roost, and then we'll probably all be heading home.